Imagine the eerie music of black holes, stars, and solar winds. It begins with silence, real silence. Not the kind you find in a quiet room, but the silence of space. A silence so complete it feels almost sacred. In the vacuum between stars, sound has no air to ride, no vibrations, no echo, just stillness. Until one day, that silence breaks. First, a hum, low, steady, like a heartbeat deep beneath a frozen ocean. Then a rising chorus, distant wails, warbling tones, thunder that seems to curl around your skull. The stars, once silent and serene, now because suddenly, somehow, you can hear space. It might come from a technological breakthrough, a neural implant that translates electromagnetic waves into sound, or a suit that converts plasma frequencies into audible tone. Or maybe it's evolution, humanity's senses expanding to embrace the raw signals of the cosmos. However it happens, the result is the same. The universe has a voice, and it's nothing like we imagine. Solar winds whisper across the void like a constant breeze, laced with electric crackles and staticky shivers. You hear them streaming off the sun in waves, sometimes calm, sometimes erupting into roaring storms during solar flare. Auroras become symphonies, magnetospheres ring with celestial percussion, Jupiter pulses with deep radio thumps, like an ancient drum pounding beneath thick clouds. Saturn sings in icy crystalline tones, its rings shimmering like the chimes of a frozen harp. And Earth hum. From space, our planet gives off a soft living tone. A chorus of oceans, wind currents, lightning strikes and radio bursts from cities below. The planet itself is alive with sound, and now you can finally hear it. But space is not peaceful. It growls, it wails, it screams. Black holes emit a sound you can feel in your bones. A sub-bass vibration so deep it makes your organs shiver. As matter spirals into the event horizon, it produces eerie shrieks, radio waves twisted into sirens that never end. They howl like ghosts trapped in time, falling forever. Pulsars click and chirp in rhythm, ticking like cosmic metronomes. Quasars hiss with electric rage. And deep in the void, you hear something stranger, massive structures echoing with signals you can't identify. Artificial? Natural? No one knows. You're no longer observing the universe. You're listening to it, and it's loud. Science changes overnight. Astronomers no longer stare at distant light. They listen to entire galaxies, mapping their frequencies like symphonies. Spectrographs become mixing boards. Observatories become sound studios. Sonification becomes not just art, but science. Musicians begin sampling the stars. Orchestras perform galactic concerts. Meditation apps stream the gentle harmonics of Neptune's atmosphere. Clubs remix comet tales into trance rhythms. Churches pipe in solar storms as sacred ambient. And as humanity listens deeper, patterns emerge. Rhythms no one expected. Voices no one understands. Repeating signals from the edge of known space. Structured, deliberate. Are they just natural formations? Or is something else out there singing to us? There's beauty, yes, but also fear. Imagine hearing a neutron star snap in half, or a rogue planet howling as it tears through a gas cloud, or the eerie silence just before a gamma ray burst. Sound adds something terrifying to the cosmos. Presence. The feeling that space isn't just vast and empty, but alive, restless. Watch. The void no longer feels like a vacuum. It feels like an auditorium, and we're sitting in the front row. Soon spacecraft are equipped with full audio suites. Colonists on Mars fall asleep to the sounds of the sun's quiet breath. Deep space miners wear frequency monitors to detect danger, because when the pitch of a magnetic field changes, a storm is coming. And every so often someone reports hearing something impossible. A pattern hidden beneath the layers. A song that doesn't belong to any planet or not random, not natural, not human. If we could hear space, we'd never look at the night sky the same way again. It would no longer be just a sea of light, but a vast, endless concert of stars, screaming, singing, whispering into the dark. Every planet, every moon, every black hole adding to the grand composition. Some of it beautiful, some of it haunting, all of it real. And maybe, just maybe, in the farthest reaches, beyond the sound of known galaxies, we'd finally hear something that isn't us, and realize we've never truly been alone.